Hi, Waukegan. I'm Nick Aladzakis, Director of Communications and Chief of Staff for Waukegan Schools, and this is 60 and 60 for the week of October 24th. This week, we're talking about the new Illinois School Report Card, Waukegan High School's soccer team's playoff run, and an upcoming fall play. This week, the Illinois State Board of Education released its 2021-2022 School Report Card, which has many components to it, including updates to school designations for the first time since the onset of the pandemic. We are excited to share that our district has our highest number of schools earning commendable or higher designation this year, including Clark Elementary School, which has once again earned an exemplary designation. 15 of our schools earned the commendable designation, including 14 elementary schools and Waukegan High School. Commendable is the second highest designation a school in Illinois can earn. We want to shout out Carmen Buckner and Waukegan High School, which earned commendable designation for the first time. Also earning commendable designation were Cook, Clearview, Glen Flora, Glenwood, Greenwood, Hyde Park, Little Fort, Lyon, McCall, North, Oakdale, Washington, and Whittier Elementaries. The designations are based on 2021-2022 school year data. A breakdown of all designations, as well as district and individual school report card data, can be found at illinoisreportcard.com. Good luck to our Bulldog boys soccer team as they play Friday in the IHSA sectional championship game against Stevenson High School. The team won the regional championship last weekend in thrilling fashion and followed it up with another big win Tuesday in the sectional semifinal. The sectional final will be played at Buffalo Grove High School beginning at 5 p.m. Families are invited to experience a world of pure imagination next week when our Waukegan High School drama students debut their production of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Performances of the play will be held at 7 p.m. on November 4th and 5th and at 2 p.m. on November 6th at the Brookside campus's Trapp Auditorium. Tickets are $5 in advance and $7 at the door. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in each week for all the news and events happening in Waukegan Public Schools.